we're back for another at-home PE lesson. This week we're going to play Simon. It's a memory game using colors that you'll need at least one other player with you to tell you the colors so you know what you need to remember. There's going to be 3 steps. First step is the easiest one. The second one, it's the same memory idea, just used as a different muscle group for you while you're playing. And then the third step is more of a fitness, getting your whole body moving during the memory game. So step 1, you're going to start in front of the squares. As you can see, I have a blue square, green, red, and yellow. You can use any 4 colors, but those are like the standard. So the person who you're playing with is going to tell you one color, and you're going to have to jump on that color and back to the beginning. Next, they're going to start with that same color, add another one, and then continue like that to see how many colors you can remember. So this is how you play step number 1.
Red. Red, green. Red, green, yellow. Red, green, yellow, blue. Red, green, yellow, blue, red.
So just like that, you want to try and remember the whole sequence. You lose the round once you forget and go to the wrong color. The person who's calling the colors can let you know when that happens. See how many you can get and maybe challenge the player you're playing with, see if they can get more. So that's round number 1. All you're doing is jumping. Step number 2, it's going to use your core muscles, your ab muscles that we've talked about throughout the year. So you're going to hold a plank position. Okay, so you're up on your hands, your back is flat, holding that plank position. From here, you're going to touch the colors with your hand. If you're using chalk, it's going to get a little messy, but that's okay. If the color is on this side, I want you to use this hand. If it's on the other side, use your other hand. So here's how you play round 2. Hold that plank position, keep your back flat. We don't want to be up, we don't want to be down, nice and flat.
Yellow. Yellow, red. Yellow, red, green. Yellow, red, green, blue. Yellow, red, green, blue, red.
One more.
Yellow, red, green, blue, red, yellow.
Alright, so that whole time, make sure you have a flat back. If you miss a color, then your round's over. If you start to fall over or your bottom goes up into the air, your judge will let you know your round's over, and then switch. See how many you can do. So round 3 is a little more movement with it. So what you're going to do is start in the middle, and I have my same 4 colors, but spread out away from me. So if it's a color to the side, I'm going to side shuffle over and back to the middle. Okay, same thing if it's on the other side, back to the middle. If it's the color in front of me, so from me it's the red, I'm going to move forward and then back to the middle. If it's the yellow behind me, I'm going to backpedal, hit it, and then back to the middle. So same memory game, but using those different movements. So I'll show you how that goes.
Red. Red, green. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue, yellow. Red, green, blue, yellow, red.
Red, green, blue, yellow, red. One more.
Red, green, blue, yellow, red, blue.
Red, green, blue, yellow, red, blue. So more movement. As the farther you go, as the more tired you get, that memory might go away a little bit. Try and see how many you can do. Challenge everyone in your house. How many can you do? Ooh, just that little one just wore me out a little bit. All right, so that's the game. Go ahead, if you play it with someone in your house, you can use papers on the ground if you don't have chalk outside. Take some videos of those, take some pictures, send them to me, send them to Mrs. Visley, and we'll see how y'all did.